Rallies, protests and demonstrations were held across Pakistan on Wednesday to show solidarity with Kashmiris bearing the brunt of Indian atrocities. With India annexing Jammu and Kashmir and imposing a non-ending curfew, rallies were held with utmost devotion and enthusiasm across the country. Here's a look at how Pakistanis expressed their love and solidarity with their Kashmiri brothers and sister. Activists of PTI gather during a demonstration to mark Kashmir Solidarity Day, in Islamabad on February 5, 2020. On the occasion of Kashmir Solidarity Day, Dr. Awan presenting a memorandum highlighting oppression of Indian Armed Forces in IOJ&K, to UN Resident Representative in Pakistan, Mr. Julian Harnais in Islamabad on February 5, 2020. A young girl holds a placard during a demonstration to mark Kashmir Solidarity Day in Islamabad on February 5, 2020. Protesters marched during a demonstration to mark Kashmir Solidarity Day in Islamabad on February 5, 2020. Protesters stand over a poster of India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi during a demonstration to mark Kashmir Solidarity Day, in Quetta on February 5, 2020. Protesters shout anti-Indian slogans during a demonstration to mark Kashmir Solidarity Day, in Quetta on February 5, 2020. Karachi, activists of Tehreek-e-Jawanan Pakistan burn effigy of Indian Prime Minister during protest against Indian government on Kashmir Solidarity Day outside KPC. Members of Team Zara Khan are holding protest rally against India and express their solidarity with Kashmiri people on the occasion of Kashmir Solidarity Day at Karachi Press Club, February 5, 2020. Protesters raised their hands painted in red during a demonstration to mark Kashmir Solidarity Day in Karachi on February 5, 2020. Protesters hold placards as they shout slogans during a demonstration to mark Kashmir Solidarity Day in Lahore on February 5, 2020.